Hello. Welcome to African Beyond Television Network. My name is Ronald Makusha. So today we want to talk about an insult which was leveled against the white people or the white race in the nation of Zimbabwe by ZANU PF people, because I don't want to repeat the words myself before I play this video. Let me play this video first so that you hear what ZANU PF supporters think about white people, including Kirsty Coventry, who is the Minister of Sports.
Sokuti tinototi kana takatendota munhu weCCC chinhu chokutanga tinobva tamutaurira kuti ototera ZANU PF. Chikonzero chatinotera ZANU PF ndechekuti varungu vana vaSATAN. Saka project yese yavanenge vaita inofanana nepati yavo. Ukawanika uri mudzidzi uchiitera zvinoreva kuti watera Satani, saka kudenga uende.
So, listening to this man, achiti hanzi varungu vana vaSATAN, you could wonder how ZANU PF people think. Basically, I don't know if anybody is going to actually vote for ZANU PF people, because when they say varungu vana vaSATAN, they have labeled everybody who is a Christian, everybody who follows Christianity, no matter the denomination you come from. They have labeled all of us vana vaSATAN. That is the truth, and that is what they are labeling us. So they are saying tiri vana vaSATAN, and I'm going to explain why do I say so. It's because, number one, let us look at how Christianity came to Zimbabwe, how Christianity came to Africa. Christianity came to Africa through missionaries, and these missionaries were white people. So Father Gonzalo's, Da Silveira, all those missionaries who came with the Christianity doctrine, these are white people. Kunoku, we had here in the ATR, and that ATR is now being practiced by only a few people are now practicing ATR. The majority of the people, especially here in Zimbabwe, even black people, they support, they practice Christianity. They are Christians. And this Christianity came through missionaries. It came with the white people. The Bible, which President Mnangagwa held and say, "So help me God," on his inauguration, it came with the white people. No Chinese brought the Bible. No black people established the Bible or brought the Bible. It came with white people who are missionaries. So it shows if varungu vari vana vaSATAN, what about those who are following varungu? Zvotoreva kuti tiri vana vaSATAN tese ka ndo zvavari kutaura. What about those who are using technology which is being developed by those white people? That is calling everybody vana vaSATAN, and that was so irresponsible for that ZANU PF supporter or a church leader to actually do so. And people were just clapping hands, including the leaders of ZANU PF. They were clapping hands, which shows that they don't go for anything meaningful when they attend these meetings. They go there to actually embarrass people and humiliate people. That is what they can do. So let us look at ZANU PF itself. ZANU PF itself, they are saying vanhu vanosapota CCC vanosapota varungu vana vaSATAN. And let us take a look at somebody like Kirsty Coventry. Kirsty Coventry is the Minister of Sports, the Minister of Youth, the Minister of Culture here in the nation of Zimbabwe. So Kirsty Coventry, by definition right now, is now working with ZANU PF, is working with President Mnangagwa and his ZANU PF team. So if varungu vari vana vaSATAN, what about Kirsty Coventry, who is also a white person, who is also murungu? What do you say about Kirsty Coventry? Mwana wa Satan here. That is the question. ZANU PF does have MPs who are white people. Let us talk about people like Stephen Sako from Chimanimani. That Sako MP is a white person. Mwana wa Satan here, that is the question I posed to ZANU PF people. And when you sit with Sako as an MP with ZANU PF, does it mean that you are relating with the devil himself or you are relating with Satan? That is the question I would ask to President Mnangagwa himself. When you are talking about Aritatos is from Kadoma there. I think it should be, I'm not so sure about the Muzhezhe constituency. That is Aritatos for you. Is Aritatos mwana wa Satan? So you can actually see that all those things, they show the kind of people we are dealing with from ZANU PF. We are dealing with toxic people, useless people, people who don't think about anything, people who just think about how to insult, people who know best in terms of how to insult people. So let us take a look at CCC. They always call Citizens Coalition for Change very toxic. They always call Nelson Chamisa supporters very toxic. And the question is, how are they toxic? How are we too toxic when ZANU PF, who claim to be church leaders, say varungu vana vaSATAN? The constitution of Zimbabwe, which the president should uphold, it says everybody must be respected, not because of race, not because of color, not because of language, but because you are a citizen of Zimbabwe. So the constitution of Zimbabwe does not recognize white people, black people, brown people, beige people. It recognizes the people of Zimbabwe. And those who you call vana vaSATAN, who are white here in Zimbabwe, they are also Zimbabweans. Those who you call vana vaSATAN, they are also entitled to a better Zimbabwe, to a free Zimbabwe. So if you call varungu vana vaSATAN and you are using a mic which was developed and designed by white people, how are you actually, why are you using Satan's tools? Your president came to that rally driving a car, and he was in a motorcade. All those vehicles were developed by white people. No black person developed those cars. They were developed, they were designed, everything by white people. They were invented by white people, and you call them Vana vaSATAN. So how can they be Vana vaSATAN? The camera which was recording this man was manufactured, was invented by a white man, and he calls varungu vana vaSATAN. And the president Mnangagwa was there, never reprimanded this man, and they all clapped hands. No statement from ZANU PF to actually distance itself from this statement from this older Dala, who is a white comment person. And you can actually see the kind of people we are dealing with. So what kind of God are you actually preaching? Because God says everybody was created in his own image. And also God says, do not judge, because it is God's mandate to judge at the end of each man's race. So why are you judging and calling other people Vana vaSATAN? So we have murderers who are murdering people. We have abductors who abducted Itai Zamara. We have people who raped people, who are raping or who raped people. We have people who murdered people in a during Gukura Wundi in Matabeleland. We have people who displaced people during Murambachina. How do you call those persons? What do you call those people who did all that? Vana vani, if varungu vari vana vaSATAN. So you can actually see that we don't need to begin to do name callings, because when we begin to do name calling, even without mentioning kuti ningi ningi, you will see kuti some of these people from ZANU PF, they will come after us saying you are insulting so and so. So why are you insulting people, and why are you allowing that to happen? This is our core as young people to say, President Mnangagwa, ZANU PF, you must be responsible. You must teach your people to actually respect other people and stop calling other people names. Hakuna vanhu vanonzi vana vaSatani except vanhu vari kuuraya vanhu. Ndimi vana vaSatani mimi. Vanhu vari kurepa vanhu, ndimi vana vaSatani mimi. Vanhu vari kupa vanhu mari dzisingatengi anything, ndimi vana vaSatani. Vanhu vari kutadza kutenga macancer machines, ndo vana vaSatani. So you can actually see that if we go to such an extent, you will see that who is who belongs to which side. So we don't need a toxic environment. We need free and fair elections. We need everybody to be respected not because of race, of color, of age, or of what. We need everybody to be respected because he is or she is a citizen of the Republic of Zimbabwe. So Team Zimbabwe, this is what these people said. Let me play it for the last time, then we conclude this live broadcast. I'm just playing it for those who came late because I understand you need to hear.
Kwa kuzovhotera mamwe mapato anenge masisi tunofa hakuna izvozvo sokuti tinototi kana takatendeuta munhu weCCC chinhu chokutanga tinobva tamutaurira kuti ototera ZANU-PF. Chikonzero chatinoteera ZANU-PF ndechekuti varungu vana vaSATAN. Saka project yese yavanenge vaita inofanana nepati yavo, ukawanika uri mudzidzi uchiiteera zvinoreva kuti wateera Satani, saka kudenga uende. Kwa vari kuzovhotera mamwe mapato anenge masisi
This is it in Zimbabwe. You have heard this man actually calling Varungu vana vaSATAN. And I don't know, in the comment section, please tell me, how would you view this? What are your comments regarding this statement from this Nikompumpu? Ndokunenge kuchiendwa nevakuru vachiti taenda kuchechi anogona kuti chechi dzacho so haijandikubinya chaichai. Okay, to Zimbabwe, I don't know to take much of your time. Thank you very much for coming. My name is Ronald Wekwamakusha. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for coming. And Rambai Muchuya, Rambai Mchite support. Let us meet in other episodes and other programs.